My dear learners, thank you from the core of my heart. Now I am going to discuss about the preposition from. You can see on this screen the use of preposition from is very important, and the first rule is that starting point of place. When you want to mean something that starts from a place, that place is very important because something starts from that place, and before that starting place we can use from. You can see in the sentence, she started her journey from London. She started her journey from London. That means her journey begins at a place, at a particular place of London, and we want to mean that particular place, and according to the use of the preposition from, we can use from before the starting place, London. You can see we went to Dhaka from Kurigram. Uh, in the sentence, you can see the starting place is Kurigram, a district of Bangladesh, and the ending place is Dhaka. So you can see we can generally use from before the starting place. And now the second rule is that starting point in time. Starting point in time, you see something must happen at an specific point of time, and before that specific point of time, we can use the preposition from. Dear students, you can see the tournament started from 3 p.m. starting. We can say in the sentence really the tournament really began 3 p.m. at the accurate time 3 p.m. yesterday, and that is the starting point of time 3 p.m. yesterday. So before that starting point of time, we can use from in the sentence. And you see also in this sentence, he started his education from early childhood. So his education started at a specific point of time, you can see, and we can use from before that specific point of time. So early childhood is here the specific point of time. And dear viewers, you can see starting point of price. We know that price is really a sensitive matter. So starting point of time, starting point of price, you can see. So anything when it is sold in the market, there must be a starting price, and for some situations or some syndications the price may change. So there must be a starting point of price. So dear learners, you can see the price of the property, the price of the property, you can see the price of the property start from $2. The price of the property starts from $2 million. $2 million. $2 million. So dear viewers, you can see the price of the property starts from $2 million. So you can see that the property has a price, and the price starts from 2 millions. When any property is taken into auction, there must be a starting point of price. So suppose in that case the price of the property starts from $2 million. Yes, I think you can understand. The price of the book starts from $3. Suppose the price of the book varies from time to time for some situations, etc. But there must be any specific price that starts at the very beginning. So before the specific price, we can use also use from. So from $3, the price of the book starts from $3. So I think you can understand these three rules of using the preposition from. And dear students and learners, and now I am going to tell you about the rule number four. Rule number four, and the rule number four is not so hard, difficult to understand. You think uh, this rule is about we generally have any starting point of place, and also we have to have the ending point of place. When we are doing something, that means there must be a starting point of place and there must be any ending point of place, or also time. So in that case, before the starting point of place, we can use from, and the uh, before the destination we can use to. So the structure may be from to, from to, from to. So uh, we generally can use this structure to mean the starting point of place and the ending point of place. So please take a look at this sentence. You see, our journey started from Strat Stratford Stratford on Avon Stratford on Avon, and Stratford on Avon, and ended to London. Ended to London. So, dear learners, you can see in the sentence here, our journey started from Stratford on Avon and ended to London. So, this is the starting or beginning place, that is Stratford on Avon, and the ending place is London. So, we can generally use from before the word Stratford on Avon and to before the destination London. You see. And we also use this from to structure in the case of time when something happens at the beginning, that is the starting point of time, and the action takes place at a time, and the action ends at a time, and that is called the ending point of time. So we can use this structure also for the starting point of time and an ending point of time. So please take a look at here, dear learners. He began to write his novel from January 31st of 2000 and finished it in March 2002. So dear learners, you can see in this sentence the starting point of writing the novel was 2000, was January 31st of 2000, and the ending point of writing the novel was March 2002. So we can also use the preposition from before the starting point of time of any action, and also we can find that the action ends in a time. So before the starting point of time, we generally use from. He began to write his novel from January 31st of 2000 and finished it in March 2002. And in this case, we can also use this preposition. So now I like to say some more sentences, and in what cases we can use this preposition. Suppose he came home from Dhaka. He came home from Dhaka. So dear students, you can see this is a very simple sentence, and in the sentence I have used this preposition from before the starting point of place, Dhaka. He came home from Dhaka. So this is the starting point of place. So this sentence goes to the rule of starting point of place. And if I say I started my learning English from 2000, from 2000. So the starting point of time of my learning English is 2000. And if I want to mean the starting point of place and the ending point of place, I have to say I started my learning English from 2000 and still continuing it. So in this way we can use this preposition, and this is not so difficult if we take it from the core of our heart. So I think you will be able to learn it. So dear learners, please help me giving like, comments and share, and I think I will be able to offer you something more important from the next lessons. Thank you.